Hey everyone, this is Angie Lauer with Joe Taylor Group, and I'm here to talk to you about the benefits of using your VA loan. So number one, thank you for anybody's service who is a veteran or active duty. It's one of the most important things that you can do for our country, so I applaud you. Number two, on the VA loan, there's a lot of folks out there that don't know that you don't have to bring a down payment when using your VA loan. That's right, 0 down. And that's a huge deal when you have to pay your closing costs in the market these days. So not having to bring a down payment is gonna save you a lot of money. When you use your VA benefits, you do not have to pay mortgage insurance. So that means you will not have to pay the same thing that a lot of other people have to pay if you don't put 20% down, which as a veteran, you put 0 down. You can be approved all the way up to over $1 million. There is no cap anymore on VA loans, so that's amazing out there for all you veterans and active duty. That when you use your VA benefits, sometimes if you go to a new build community, you will get a special incentive for being active duty or a veteran. So just the many, many benefits that you get for serving our country and helping us. So you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you have questions about using your VA benefits or any other loan programs out there, be sure to comment below or give us a call at 702-336-8500. We'd be happy to help you.